Alright guys, looks like we're good to go. I'll clean it up if it starts. So let me fire it up here and see if it fire up for us. It's auto choke, so let's see what it does. Here we go. It runs, but it's overfilled with oil. Let's see if the self-propel works. Right now, not working. That's something I'm gonna have to address. Well, as you can see, it runs. So, and the self-propel is not working at the moment. So, it's gonna have to, I'm gonna do an oil change on it and all that. Might have to take all this off. While I'm doing the oil change, I'll sharpen the blade and all that, and follow up on that. And I'll tell you if I find anything different. But alright, before I get this blade off of here, I already see the problem why the self-propelled is not working. If you can see, my finger is right there. The belt is not on the pulley. So it's more likely not hooked up in front too, so that's why the self-propelled is not working. So when I get this blade off, the oil's draining right now. When I get this blade off, I'm gonna sharpen it and I'm gonna fix that self-propelled belt at the same time. And that's the old oil coming out of there right now. It needed to be changed. I ran it for a little bit, got the engine hot. I'm going to clean this thing up real good, and I'm going to check the blade while we're at it, while that's draining, and see what's going on too. Okay, well, it took about 20 minutes because there were screws I couldn't find on here to do it, but as you can tell, the belt came off of there. And it was still on the pulley on the inside there, so I got to clean all this grass off and stuff, and we should be good to go again. The self-propelled should work again. So I'm going to clean all this up, put the belt back on, and we should be good to go. Well, it's not exactly perfect. I took a little, put an edge on it there. I had to take a little bit of metal off of each side there. It's still a little uneven, but as I keep going with it, it keeps unbalancing, so I think that'll be good enough there. So we're going to put it back on the mower now. Okay, so right now, belt's back on there, and you guys can see it while I'm doing this. It's engaging it now. We're good there, and I'm gonna have to clean some oil off here. There's some oil residue still showing up, so I'm gonna come back to it. I'm gonna get this all cleaned up, give it a bath, and I'm gonna give it a start, and we're gonna see if the self-propel works this time. Alright guys, the moment of the truth. I know it's getting late here, but I'm gonna go ahead and get it started. Oil's been topped off. I put the belt back on here. Blade's been sharpened. Let's see if I'm successful in fixing the self-propelled. Let's primer it 3 times, and here we go. Probably gonna smoke a little bit. I'll get that out of the offer. Let's see if the self-propel works now. Working. That's pretty good. Alright. It's running. So I'm going to do a filter change, service the filter, and give it a bath, and I'll give you guys a final start in the next video. For a follow-up video on this one. I got it running again.